Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new around here, if you've seen my videos before, welcome back. I thought today I would do my first Animal Crossing video. I'm pretty new at Animal Crossing. My island is a work in progress, but I thought I'd show you because if I'm Animal Crossing addicted, probably so are you. So I like watching Animal Crossing videos just as I'm playing Animal Crossing. So I thought I would show you what my island looks like. So this is my island. I'll give you a little tour. So when you walk in, oh, here you go. Here's the entrance over here. So when you walk in, I just have a bunch of flowers in the path. And then over here, I have Muffy singing annoyingly. And I have a few bears. This is kind of like arcade section. And then I have a few DIYs for like friends if they need them. And then I just kind of lined it with flowers. We got a dart board, little tricycle, gumball machine. I can't understand how to get the gumball machine working. Everyone always has bubble gum in their mouth when they click on it, so I don't understand that. A foosball table, then a little arcade game, got a fountain over here, this spooky doll, and then I have a flower bed. And I recently just been able to make my own ponds and stuff, so I redid this by the store. Have a little table, having a little tea party with mom's cake and a bench. I like these lights. They look really cute at nighttime. And then if we go this way, this is kind of like my flower garden. I'm thinking about going all the way down the other way. This way I could grow like rare flowers. Right now it's kind of just like a tree orchard right now. So here's a bunch of flowers. See over here, I'm thinking about going all the way down with the flowers and then just moving the tree somewhere else, but I'm not sure. And then I just have some lights. And my little alien that comes down. So then if you go across the bridge, here's my house. So I have the custom walkway and I have a little bench and a table over here with some tarot cards, crystal ball. This is my house over here. I'll give you a tour of my house soon. Maybe another video or maybe at the end of this video. We'll see. And this is one of my neighbors. Guys, how cute is Graham? Bug off, like gross. He's so cute, his little hamster. I love him. So this is Graham's house. He's really into tech. And then if we go out of Graham's house, got a little pool over here. Then I have like a little wishing well with some seating, little floor cushions. And I have a whole bunch of happy birthday stuff. I time traveled to my birthday and these are the gifts that I got. I have a little DIY bench over here. And we'll go to my next villager. Oh. Not sure if she saw him. No. So that's Tia. We'll go and find her later. This is Anacotti. She's so cute. She's a little mouse and she calls me Cannoli. She's so cute, and I like her house. It's all green. This little ball. Here's Kid. Let's see what he's making. What you doing? Golden gears. Sure. Thank you. Kid has actually asked to leave, and I was the first villager that asked to leave, and I didn't understand what he was saying, so I told him to stay. I don't know. I didn't pick him. He came on the island by the campsite, so, but he's kind of cool. Okay, this house is empty. This was Twiggy's house. I don't know why she asked to move out, but I let her, even though we were besties. But I like getting new islanders, you know? It's so much fun. Oh my gosh, look how cute. Oh, Tia is just the cutest little elephant. She looks like a teacup. A jumper work suit. I already have one of those, but okay, sure. Guys, isn't she so cute? She's never allowed to leave. Okay, so then you just go this way. Have like a little lounge chair with a campfire site. I have just a few flowers over here growing that, I don't know. I haven't really touched this side that much. I have a lounge chair, a little beehive. And then if you go all the way down, I have a palm tree lamp and a hammock. These cute little decorative things. My turnips, like, don't buy turnips and then time travel, because they'll spoil. And I have this little lounge thing. Remember these things when you were a little kid? I had one of these. And telescope. And a pyramid. Okay, so then if we go back this way. Guys, it rains like every day in my village. I'm really over it. Okay, so if we go up here and to the right, this is Muffy's house. She was out. We already saw her. And I'm trying to grow like rare flowers over here, so I just put a whole bunch. And this is Tangy's house. I don't think she's home. No. She's cute too. So this is Marcy. She's kangaroo, and look at her little kangaroo in the pouch. She calls me Pooches. She's super cute. I like her house. It's all pink. I've been giving her pink gifts, like this little necklace holder. I gave her the litter box too. I don't know why. She really liked it. A candle. Then you go over here. I got a little coffee stand. I customized the print. I'm not like the best at it, but I mean, it says coffee. And I have a little table over here. Eventually I'm gonna like expand it and put more stands or like stalls over there. So this is just a pathway to the secret beach. This way it's just like easier to access. You have to use the ladder to get down, but it's there. And up here is Peck's house. I'm kind of over him. He's a jock. But the people I don't like Muffy and Peck, they never ask to leave. So I guess I'm stuck with them forever. And then here is my museum. Got my peach trees. And then over here is kind of like a work in progress. I don't necessarily like it that much, but it's just kind of where I put everything for now. Oh, here's Peck. Okay, so here we got a little puppet set. Then we got ring toss. We got a little horse. How cute. Got a train set. Got an old gas. Like an old gas thing. Got a little spinny gear. Let's see what number I got. Okay, maybe it doesn't ever stop. 3. Got a magic set. Got some bingo. And then I have a little teacup ride. So cute. It's so lame how we can't ride them though. Wouldn't that be fun? Then I have a table which has like board game on it. And then if you go over here, got a little ice cream light, a popcorn machine, and a cotton candy machine. And then just over here is just like a chair and a tree. For anyone fishing. If you go up here, it's just kind of trees, a bunch of fruit trees to get more money. Same on the other side as well. It goes over and it's the same thing. And then I just have wildflowers over here, trying to grow like the different colors, like the pink and the blue. Okie dokie, so if we hop to the side, over here I have like a little swing and a tea set. And then this is what I've kind of been working on. I've got like a little barbecue. I'm gonna put like a bunch of chairs over here. And then this is just like a cute pathway. This is Candy. She's a little mouse. Can you tell I like the mouse ones? She's so cute though. What's up with all these bugs? Like what? That's what I'm saying, Candy. Bugs, don't go near me. I gave her this fan. It's like always on. She's got a cute little house though. So I recently did her house. I just put a bunch of flowers and a fence. And then over here is kind of like the gym. Got a rock climbing wall, weight machine. We go over here. Got the campsite, which there's no one there right now. I don't ever really get people at my campsite, so I don't know what that's about. Then here's back at the store. So if you go to the store and then you go over here across the bridge. Here is my Able Sisters, the clothing store, on its own little island. Some hydrangea bushes. And then that takes you back to the center. And Muffy's still singing. So guys, let me know if you have any ideas for my island. What you think I should do. Yeah. It's just a little beach area. I think I have, oh yeah, I have a hammock, a little sandcastle over here. And an elephant slide. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of just touring my island. Maybe I should show you my house in this one. Yeah, let's go do that. Let's go show you my house. I mean, it's not the best. It's so hard to get like matching stuff. Okay, Pecky, you need to like get out of the way. Hello, please. Can I like get to my house? Okay. Yeah. I want to get to my house. Hello. Thank you. Okay, so this is the inside of my house. Here's a little welcome mat, super cute. Got like, what what's it called, like a record player or a radio with a hat and a plant. And then over here I just have a little table, has plates, unmatching chairs, which annoys me, but eventually they'll all match. Then I have my little kitchen set up here. I got an ice cream like shaver machine, ice shaver, blender, sink, an oven. Got a little mini fridge with a microwave, a little toaster oven. Anything in my fridge? You could get changed out of my fridge? Like what? Okay. I don't know why I have so many ovens, but got some pots and pans hanging on the wall. Got my little pizza oven. Then if you go to the left, my room, I kind of need to move this stove thingy. Here's my bed, super cute bed, got a little tea set and a diffuser on the side with a little hanging decoration, a vanity. I got a mirror and a dresser. I have just like all my outfits hanging on the wall because I'm not really sure what to do with them right now. I kind of want to make like a whole closet room. Got a cute teddy bear. And I have a little hamster. All he does is go on the wheel, but he's so cute. So cute. A little dresser. Got a little umbrella. Okay, then if you go back here, this is like my spa bathroom. Got a cute little pear rug. Got like a sauna tub. Little tea set with a magazine. Got the toilet. Got the sink. We got a little pair of wardrobe. Some towels. And on this side you got a washer, dryer. Got a little nail set. And a mirror. So it's cute. I like the wallpaper in here. I like how it's kind of all green. Green's my favorite color. So you go all the way to the right and this is my living room. I got a little TV, got a couch, got another diffuser, like humidifier, got a grandfather clock, another tea set. I like the tea sets. Some brooms, vacuum. I got my cute little workbench and a dresser and a little sewing machine. So yeah guys, that's my house. It is a work in progress, don't judge. I thought it would be cool to make this video, see what it looked like before. I mean, I'm always working on my island, so it could definitely be different in the future. Okay guys, so that concludes this video of the tour of my Animal Crossing island. I hope you guys liked it. I do apologize if the quality is not the best. I do only have a Nintendo Switch Lite. I don't have the main system, plus they're like impossible to get. But overall, I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below. Let me know in the comments below what you think I should add, or any tips and tricks. And let me know if you like these kinds of videos. I'll definitely do more. So thanks guys, thanks for watching. Till next time.